Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. We take the interview of our students and candidates. Let me speak to this lady. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Noor Fatima,
Noor Fatima. Where is your house?
Saraswati Piram Vidyaniketan.
Okay. So, what do you do, ma'am? Are you working or studying?
Homewife. Was
Housewife? Okay. Okay. So, about your family. Uh, so, what's your husband's name?
Shabir Ahmad,
Okay. What he is? What he does?
manager,
Manager. Okay. Manager where?
municipal office.
Okay. He's a manager in municipal office. MashaAllah. And about your children. How many children you have?
2 sons, 1 daughter.
Okay. 4 sons and
2 sons,
2 sons and 1
1
daughter.
daughter.
Okay. So, what's your son's name?
Ahmad Nabik, first PU Commerce.
He's studying first PU Commerce. Okay. In which school?
Vidyaniketan.
Okay. And what about your daughters?
Offin, Sacred Heart International School, 8th standard.
8th standard. Okay.
Ahmad Sabit, 2nd standard, Sacred Heart International School.
Okay. That's great. So it is due to the support of the mother we have this successful children studying in big schools, and see, they are coming for this additional personality development class for English classes. So what I see the best is the parenting. Okay, we have a best mother and best father. So it is due to their support. All these students are shining. So what is the goal you have for your children, ma'am? What you want to make? What you want to see your children as? Like they want to become a doctor or engineers, teachers. What is your plan?
Anyone choice.
Anyone? Okay, mashallah. So it is like whatever they want to become, they can become. Correct? Okay, that's great. That is the characteristics of the best mother. तो जो दिल चाहे वो बने. Correct? Yes. And what is your message to other mothers? Like I heard that you also speak in good Kannada. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಂದರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆ
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
MashaAllah, that's great. So, and in our community, I'm saying like we don't give much of the importance to the education. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಜರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.
ಆಡಂಬರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ,
Okay.
ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್.
Simple ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Good. So let's give a big round of applause to this proud mother. And on behalf of our Ali Public School and Ali English House Academy, I want to appreciate this mother. We have Quran in English. So this is for the mother champion. Barakallahu feek. Thank you for watching. With another achiever and candidates will be back. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.